The Pintastic Girls!
Hi, I'm Bethany.
I'm Abigail.
And we're the Pintastic Girls! You said Holly. Yes, you're Holly. And welcome to our favorite time of the month, which is...
Magic at your door!
Magic at your door. This is our July box for Magic at your door. And as you can see here on the front, it is summer themed. And we're having an awesome summer so far, right girls? We're doing a lot of fun things. And if you follow us on Instagram, you'll see some of those fun things that we've been doing. And I can see here that Abigail is very impatient and already started cutting the box open. But just so those that don't know what Magic at your door is, it's a monthly subscription box that sends you things from the Disney parks or Disney store, Disney themed merchandise, and it, in my opinion, is the best subscription box around because you get your bang for your buck and you get lots of awesome things and you fill out a very, very in-depth questionnaire with your likes and dislikes, and you get everything that your little heart desires here. So this is the first thing in the box. It is the price list, and it's color coded because you know things change all the time.
Come on.
Okay, they want to
go first.
Well, let's show first. Let's show. We got the yellow. Ooh, how pretty yellow and white confetti on top here.
Take that.
Okay. Go ahead.
Take that.
I see something.
Take this thing out.
What is it?
It's
Careful. You don't want to.
take that.
Oh, I wanted these so bad. Look at them. There are the millennial pink Minnie Mouse ears. I'm so excited. Oh, yay. Thank you, Magic at your door. I'm going to put these right on my head. How does that?
Oh my.
Ooh, a box. Let's see. What could this be? Hold on, we gotta wait. Abigail's opening the box. Do you like my ears?
Yeah.
Yes?
I do.
What do you think's in there?
I don't know. Sure is packed good. Wow, another box. No, it isn't.
What is it? Oh, look at that. So cute.
What is it? There might be
It's a
something
mug.
inside.
Yeah, and no, put it right here.
We'll show it to you in a second.
We'll get it out of the packaging here. Hold on. Look at this. How cute is this? It's a mug that is Mickey Mouse that has a little top on to keep your stuff warm. How cool is that?
Yeah, I can have it for my tea in there.
Yes, Abby likes to drink tea in the winter time, and this would be perfect when you're doing your school and you're want to keep your tea warm. Look at honey, it's Mickey Mouse. How can you say? And we'll insert close-ups and prices at the end of the video. Okay, Holly's turn. Let's see. What's this? This yellow thing. Let's see. What is this? Oh, how cool is that?
What is it?
It's like a
It's a lemon bag.
Oh, how cute is this? Look at the lemon bag. It's an insulated.
There's something in there.
You think so? Okay, hold on. Let's take off this. It's an insulated bag. So you could put, you know, all your cold drinks and stuff inside, and there's nothing in there. This is so darn cute. Look at this, and it has little hidden Mickeys in the seeds here. And one thing that they always do with Dude on the front, which is the little mascot, is they always put a little hint of what something you might get. And look at this little part of the chair right here. There's a what?
What's in here?
There's a lemon.
Yeah.
So I think that was the hint. So how cute is this? We're actually going away, and this is going to be absolutely perfect, right?
And maybe
We're
look
going
at
to
the sun.
picnic, right?
Maybe you can get glasses on the sun.
Okay, let's
Okay,
see.
my turn.
Who's next? But hold on, move over a little bit, okay? What is How cute is that? It is a Mickey pretzel stuffed animal.
Look at that.
That is so cute.
Can I have this?
Well, we'll all share it because I think this is something that everybody here would like. Look how adorable that is. You like it?
Martin.
It's a Mickey pretzel.
I'm going.
Okay. She's like her head in the box. You see anything?
Remember,
I
remember
Oh, what is it?
Wally, a pin.
Wally pins. Look at this. We love the movie Wally, right, girls?
Never saw it.
I think she saw it. She might not remember it, but we need to see that again soon.
Wait, I look at it.
Can I see? We'll look at them later, okay? They're fighting over the pins. Okay, well, we'll look at those later, but that is so cute. Okay, whose turn's next?
Holly.
Holly, okay.
No, wait, after Abigail? Yeah.
What's this? Oh, how cute is that? It's a little Mickey, you know the Jim Shore, we just did a Christmas in July box, and we got this Ariel decoration that is Jim Shore, and this also is a Jim Shore thing here. I don't know if you can see in the box. Let's see if we can get this open quick.
I can do it. I have scissors.
No, I don't think you need scissors. Jim Shore is an artist that does these carvings of Disney characters, and how cute is this?
It's the 4th of July.
4th of July, Mickey. We'll have to put that out.
Is that
It's a little
Orbis?
4th of July,
Daddy,
no, it's not an orbit, it's just the tag. That is so cute. Okay, I think the only thing left, hold on, might be the silver pouch. So I think that's, right? Okay, so.
I can do the silver pouch.
Hold on, yes, you do the silver pouch today. We have a tradition here at the Pintastic Girls where we do something called the celebration of the silver pouch. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, go! Yay! Woohoo!
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Ooh, look at you, Rose. You look so beautiful.
We don't want to clean everything up.
Yeah, Abigail doesn't want to do too much of a celebration because it takes a long time to clean up all the confetti. So let's move this to the side. Okay.
I'll open it.
Okay, here you go, Rose. Let's see what's inside the silver pouch. Every box from Magic Eight Door has a silver pouch in it.
Stop it!
What is it? Oh, how cute is that?
I see. I don't know what it is. What?
It is a
It's a
stitch magnet. We love magnets here at our house. We have lots of, our refrigerator's over there, and we have lots of Disney magnets on it already. So look how cute that is, everybody. How awesome. Well, what do you guys think?
Great.
What was your favorite thing, Rose? Ooh, that little Mickey figurine?
No, I'm trying to take it from.
Oh, the pretzel, that's your favorite? And what was your favorite?
The pretzel.
The pretzel.
The Mickey mug, the Wally thingy, and whatever.
The cooler? I think she liked everything. So what was your favorite thing, Holly? The stitch magnet? Are you going to go put it on the refrigerator? Okay, let's say goodbye first, okay?
Bye.
Well, come on. Thank you so much for watching today, our Magic at Your Door unboxing. And if you're interested in getting your very own Magic at Your Door box, there's a link down below where you can go and check it out. And we really recommend it. They also have a one-time box that we also have done, and we have a video that a few months ago that if you don't want to commit to subscription yet, you could just get that one-time box. And that was, I think, one of our favorites that we got so far was that one-time box. So, thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you
Bye.
real soon. Bye.